Today we're going to demonstrate how to do a factory reset for the HD Flow multimedia kit. What is a factory reset? It basically takes a system back to the settings that came from the factory when you first took it out of the box and plugged it in and used it. Under what circumstances would you want to conduct a factory reset of the HD Flow system? Well, there's a few. The most obvious would be if your transmitter is not sending a signal to your receiver. You would know this right away because there'd be no picture on the TV. You could also use your iTrio remote and push the info button, and your upper left corner of the TV would show that no data is being sent to the TV. Another would be if you plug in your receiver and the HD Flow logo doesn't appear. That means your receiver is not sending data to the TV. Another would be if you have a multicast system, which means one transmitter communicating to more than one receiver, and you wish to disband that and take it back to a unicast system, which is one transmitter to one receiver. You need to do a factory reset to reestablish that link between those two units. And the last would be if you're suffering small issues like, say, interference or pixelization and you want to troubleshoot it. What we recommend you do is always a factory reset first and then troubleshoot. This way you won't be compounding the problem by trying to do a fix when you haven't properly identified what the problem is. The great thing about the HD Flow system is that performing a factory reset is very simple, and it only takes a few minutes. What we do recommend you do is keep the transmitter plugged in and content flowing to it, and on the receiver, keep it plugged in and flowing content to the TV. This will help give you a visual when the reset is completed. Now, there's two ways you can do the reset. You can do both units simultaneously, or you can do them independently. For sake of this demonstration, we'll do them independently. Let's start with the transmitter. Take your transmitter and unplug your power supply. There's a little black button at the base of the front panel. Push in the button, plug in the power. Holding that button, you're going to see that the lights on the front are going to start to blink slowly. Do not let go of that button yet. You're going to want to hold this button in for at least 8 seconds. Once those lights begin blinking rapidly, let go of the button. It's going to begin its reset. Come over to the receiver. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to remove the power, push in the button, plug in the power. Lights will blink slowly for a reset. And now rapidly. Let go of the button, and they're going to start to reset. The process takes 5 minutes. During that time, don't change any settings on them. Don't use a remote. Don't turn off your power supplies. Just let the system reset. At the end of 5 minutes, the image will reappear on the TV, and you're good to go.